In this video, we'll be discussing how to install the OBD wiring kit inside a vehicle. First, you have your cabling here and also your OBD plug. We then need to find the OBD port itself inside the vehicle. The most common places are located at numbers 1, 2, and 3. Once found, go ahead and take your plug and connect it to the OBD port. Make sure that all the pins are lined up and that you firmly press to secure the plug inside the port. Next, you need to take your wiring and run it up in a place that is hidden so it is not easily seen. Most of the time you can take off the fuse panel and pull it through as so. Then take your tracker and go ahead and plug it in. Once done, make sure that you set your tracker somewhere that it won't get tangled up or block GPS. Go ahead and close everything up, and that's how you simply install the OBD kit. If you need any assistance or have any questions on how to further install the kit, please contact us at 323-785-2020 or email us at support@tracki.com.